should be hearing things like ovenbird in here and different kinds of warblers. I did hear, I think probably was a blackbirdian warbler singing earlier today. I just hear crossbills flying over right now. They're spruce forest birds, and they're on their way to somewhere.
The data from this is captured on an SD card, on a memory card, and that will be shipped off to a lab in Ontario where a program called Kaleidoscope will actually go through hundreds of hours of these recordings and pick out the species.
It wasn't possible before the last few years. We didn't have the technology to do this. And now with the recorders and the automatic recognizers, you can process a whole lot of data.